Hey folks, we've got another power saw unboxing. I started this once, but the camera I was using went dead. Uh, I guess it's kind of a mystery. You get it off eBay. So this will be a Pioneer P24, but we looking online. I think it's the Acres site, and then the IPLs, there's no P24. It goes right from 21 to 25, 26. But it does look like one of the smaller saws, so I'm going to guess a P21 or P25, but got a good deal, right around 40 bucks in it after shipping costs, so not gonna complain. Had a bar and chain with it. Saw looked complete in the images. They said it had good compression. But the last saw I bought that supposedly had good compression had like 90 psi. Seller also said it didn't run, but it did run, so maybe we'll get lucky here. It is packaged well, but I'll tell you, I've been waiting on this saw for almost 2 weeks. And it's only coming a couple states away. Set the box out of the way. I'm sure the bar and chain's in the bottom. That'll make a good fire starter. I don't really do that with my saws. I put them in a couple shopping bags, tape it up, and that's it. Looks like this one's in a shopping bag as well as surrender wrap. They kind of went all out there. Whoa, the chain's sharp, it just cut my hand. It's a 17-inch bar, that's kind of an odd size. Figured I'd share this. Usually the unboxing videos get good views. People like them. Not too bad. A little bit of wire on the bar rails. See what that chain looks like. Wow, I've never seen a chain that wore out in my life. This one looks worse than the one did on the Farm Boss. Check that out for the focus. That's crazy. And it's sharp at that. That is insane. I say we won't be using that chain. Got decent compression. I'm going to check this thing out a little bit and then I'll cut you back on. Okay, if you got bad eyes like me and you can't see serial numbers, just clearly on the tag if this will pick up. See P25, which that's just fine. It's a 51cc saw, and what I'm going to do is pull the muffler and have a look at the cylinder, make sure there's no rust in the muffler, and then we'll see if she's got spark and go from there. Should have showed this early like that. She piped right from the factory. I'm not sure what that carburetor is. It's kind of made like a Tillotson HL, but then again it's kind of not. I'm sure it's a Tillotson of some kind. There's no looking at the cylinder on this, so what I'm going to do is give it a drink and see if it'll pop. These saws do have some sort of inside compression release too, to my understanding. I don't see a button for it, so how it works I don't know. Well, it's looking like we probably don't have any spark. I'll look into that and see what I figure out. I put a different plug in it. I don't know if it'll do it again, but yeah, we definitely have fire. Don't do that at home. Alright, the fuel line going to the tank looks good, so I'm going to put some fuel in it and see what will happen. Okay, this camera don't have a zoom or I'd zoom in, but the fuel lines are soft and look good all the way into the tank. I don't know what was in the tank, but I flushed it out. But let's see if it'll pick up tank fuel. If not, we'll prime it again. Okay, I'm going to check settings on the carburetor and then cut you back on. Okay, get the carburetor off. It's just your Tillotson, I think it's an HS. I did have a kit laying here somewhere for one, but it got lost. But I'm going to pull it apart and see what I find. It's not wanting to pick up fuel. Okay, I'm going to call it the end on this video. I don't know, it'll probably try to hit again. You're gonna need a carb kit. I also had to pull the starter cover and do a little bit in there. Saw would start and go to cutting out. It was has a easy arc. It's like a decompression that works through the starter cover. When you pull, it mashes a decomp valve, and somehow it was grounding out the ignition and going in and out. I think it works as a governor too somehow, but needs a carb kit. I had to blow the fuel filter out. It was clogged completely up and I didn't have a new one to fit it, but I got it flowing good and clean. Fuel lines look alright, but both diaphragms were just stiff as boards, and the actual pump diaphragm kind of fell apart. But what I'd like to try to do is find an adjustable carb to go in this, because it's that governed carburetor. I don't like those. But look forward to this in a future video. It may be a few weeks to a month, but we're going to do something with this little saw. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.